Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new 5 best useful kitchen items that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Ecolution Universal Lid for pots and pans is a versatile kitchen accessory that offers both style and functionality. Crafted from durable glass, this black lid from the renowned brand Ecolution is designed to fit various pots and pans with ease. The universal size of 9.5 inches in length and 12 inches in width ensures a perfect fit for most standard cookware in your kitchen. This lid not only provides a clear view of your cooking progress, but also helps to lock in heat and moisture for delicious results. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your cookware collection, making it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're simmering sauces, steaming vegetables, or cooking your favorite dishes, the Ecolution Universal Lid is a versatile tool that enhances your culinary experience. Its sturdy construction and practical design make it a must-have accessory for any home chef looking to elevate their cooking game. Overall, the Ecolution Universal,
the CrockPot Electric Lunchbox. By CrockPot offers a convenient solution for individuals seeking a reliable and efficient way to enjoy hot meals on the go. Its sleek black licorice color and durable plastic and metal construction make it a stylish and practical choice for everyday use. With compact product dimensions of 6.6D into 6.6W into 6.5 of H and a lightweight item weight of 0.72 kilograms, this lunchbox is easy to carry around, fitting perfectly into your bag or briefcase. Despite its portable design, it boasts a generous capacity of 1.3 pounds, allowing you to pack a satisfying meal for your day. The CrockPot Electric Lunchbox operates at 1500 watts with a voltage of 120, ensuring fast and efficient heating to warm up your food quickly. Additionally, the rectangular shape of this lunchbox maximizes space efficiency, making it easy to store in various settings. Furthermore, the dishwasher safe feature of this lunchbox simplifies the cleaning process, saving you time.
Ideal for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts, the VOR Red Fat Separator is a game-changer in the kitchen, crafted from high-quality aluminum. This kitchen tool stands out with its durable build and efficient functionality. The striking red color adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space, elevating your overall culinary experience. With product dimensions of 8.5L into 8.5 VOD into 6.5 H, the VOR Red Fat Separator boasts a practical size that is easy to handle and store. Its user-friendly design ensures seamless operation, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. This fat separator simplifies the process of removing excess fat from gravies, soups, and sauces, allowing you to create healthier meals without compromising on flavor. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, this stylish red fat separator from VOR is a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Say goodbye to greasy dishes and hello to delicious, well-balanced meals with the VOR.
The simple Houseware expandable kitchen drawer. Flatware organizer is a versatile and functional product that caters to a wide range of needs. Made of durable plastic in an attractive gray finish, this organizer is designed for multi-purpose use, whether for organizing cosmetics, jewelry, or kitchen items. One of the standout features of this product is its expandable design, allowing users to customize the organizer to fit their specific space requirements. This flexibility makes it ideal for use in various settings from small drawers to larger storage spaces. The lacquered, brushed, powder-coated, and painted finish gives the organizer a sleek and modern look that will complement.
The Brima Fruit Infuser water bottle is an excellent choice for those looking to stay hydrated in a refreshing and healthy way. Made with high-quality Eastman Triton material, this 32 Oz large bottle is both durable and BPA-free, ensuring a safe drinking experience. The Fruit Infuser feature allows you to add your favorite fruits to infuse your water with natural flavors, making it easy and enjoyable to stay hydrated throughout the day. The clear color of the bottle adds a sleek and modern touch, while the 32-ounce capacity ensures you have an ample supply of water to keep you going. The wide mouth design makes it easy to add ice cubes or clean the bottle, adding to its convenience. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or on the go, the Brima Fruit Infuser water bottle is a stylish and practical choice to help you meet your hydration goals. Stay refreshed and energized with this reliable Fruit Infuser water bottle by Brima.